So I'm pretty excited right now. I just got a package. It's from California. This is something that I've wanted for a long time. I found them on eBay or YouTube a couple of years ago, and I always wanted to get them. I just never did, and finally I just decided to get them. Hold on, just let me open this up. It's an empty box. How cool is that? I have wanted one of these my whole life, and I'm so happy right now. I have an empty box. It's amazing. Just kidding. Here it is. Xenon Light. High intensity discharge bulbs. Energy saving, long time, high brightness. Conversion kit. Look, there's no Chinese writing on it either. I got one of the more expensive ones just because those other ones look sketchy. But let's take a look inside. Dun, 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 dun. Detailed instructions. Yeah. Mounting brackets. Hardware. More brackets. We have ballasts. And I have to get the bi xenon ones. Hold on just a second. And there it is. High intensity discharge xenon bulbs. I don't know if these are the telescoping ones or if they're the ones that like flip up for high beams and then go down for low beams. I'm not sure yet. We'll find out shortly. I can tell they go in and out. But I'm gonna go install these before work. These are 10,000K. Hopefully bright. A lot better than these cheap things here. Oh, well, I'll get going on the installation on these. Just a couple zip ties later. This is all the junk that I didn't use out of the package. They're installed. Can't see it, but they are installed. Got our paint pod. Oh, nice. It's the first time I'm seeing them. Those are nice. It's daylight out and I can see them up against the wall back here. That's how bright they are. Yeah, now those are HIDs. Those are bright. Let's flip the high beams on. And they get brighter as they get warmer too, so they're still getting brighter. Oh. There's no high beams. After work, there's my new lights. I don't know, they don't seem as blue as they should be. They have kind of a blue tint to them, but like for 10,000K, I think they should be brighter. And high beams again, nothing. So I don't know if there's something came undone with the wiring, if the harness isn't right or something. I'm gonna check into that tomorrow, so I can get these things working right. But they're pretty bright. Alrighty guys, later. So I never really did a shot of what they look like at night with these lights. And so here we go. I don't know if you can hear the ballast. on the camera, but they're loud. It is rather bright white. It's not really blue. I mean, they have kind of a bluish tint to them, but they're just kind of white. I mean, I like them, but I was looking for like a deep blue deal. Those are bright though. But still having high beam troubles. Yeah, you can see it on the camera too. When you flip the high beams on, then when you turn them off, the light kind of is real bright and then it kind of dims down. So let me see if there's a wiring problem. See if I can fix it. If not, it's something that's wrong with that. Just gonna check my wiring harnesses, see if they're plugged in all the way. If not, then something else wrong with it. Woohoo, victory! Alright, so just kind of pulled out some of my wires. I didn't really have a lot of time to do a clean job. But I pulled out some of my wires, kind of pulled on my wiring harness that plugs into the stock wiring harness. Oh, look at that, there's spider webs inside my headlight. How does that happen? How do you get a spider inside your headlight? Kitty cat. But after playing with that, I now have highs and lows. They're the telescoping bulbs, so you can hear them click when you do highs and lows, because I don't know if you'll hear someone else to flip the switch, but so you can hear it's just like a doorbell. It applies power to the bulb and sucks it in or pushes it out. So there you go, highs and lows. I do wish that they were bluer, but now I'll have to send that guy a message saying that I fixed the highs and lows, and that now I just need to know why it's not 10,000.